Hello everyone, and welcome to our zone wood shop. We just recently added a lathe to the wood shop, and we needed a way to integrate it and start storing everything that we're collecting for it. It came with this beautiful heavy cast iron stand, which is great because it absorbs all that vibration and it really doesn't move. So we just wanted to build something around it that gave us a little bit of flexibility. So this is what we came up with for phase one. Join us and see how we made it. As I mentioned in a previous video, we got this new lathe, and the thought was, first step, let's create at least a box that will house this pull-out drawer that someone gave me, and we can start getting some stuff out of open loose boxes into here, and then work on the rest of the lathe stand. So that's what we're going to do. So I have some 3/4 inch plywood panels and some melamine board that got cut up for a previous project. And it turns out that they're going to be pretty much the exact size that I need. So one of the goals of this project is also to get rid of some of the scrap wood in my shop. So we're going to use good old-fashioned Craig jig and pocket holes to attach everything and start putting this together. It's going to get rather loud. I've got the dust collection set up for the table, and once I turn that on, you get to listen to the beautiful sounds of free YouTube music. So we finished drilling out the holes for the pocket holes, and we now want to go ahead and attach them to the base. And I recently had a birthday, and my best friend Rick bought me a right angle Craig clamp, so we are going to get to use it for the very first time. And I've decided that I'm actually going to put everything on the outside for the purpose of today's. It is just a temporary build until I get ready to build a much nicer one, getting rid of some wood, so I don't mind the holes being outside. And my concern was I wouldn't be able to drill into the top once I have everything inside, so yeah, that's why I'm going to do what I'm going to do. And it's my cabinet, so I get to do that. while back, when I was originally going to build a box with this, I had sunk these wing nuts in there so that I could add, hold on, my neighbors are home. The problem with a garage wood shop is you're susceptible to all the noise of the neighborhood. There we go. Put these feet on. Should give us about 3/4 of an inch off the ground. So that I'll be able to clean underneath it without it having to move. And if it's not perfectly level, I'll be able to use these feet to level as well. There you go, we have the box created with the full extension. I just kind of threw in the buffing wheels, and there's a pen vise, and there's basically a couple things that I don't use very often. But the next step now is to build a wall behind it and a platform that comes out to hold some of the lathe tools, and I would like to add some dust collection that is right behind the lathe. So that's the next step. Alright, so my lathe is 24 inches long, and I would like about a 10-inch overhang on one side. I'm giving myself a 2-inch overhang on the other side, so 36 inches obviously. You just double check my expense, and it's 36 inches. Dust mask. So I took the lathe off the stand. The first piece of wood is 12 inches across by 3 inches, and what I've already done was I laid the board and marked out the holes, which we have here. And so now I'm going to go get the drill and we're going to clean those out. Go. Now the goal will be to take that 3 foot by 3 foot section and mount it behind. Alright, we're going to drill out 3 holes for the lathe tools that I own. If you look at it from a different angle, currently I really only own 3 tools. I've got a square carbide cutter, I have a diamond-shaped carbide cutter, and I have the round carbide cutter still in the original default handle. I haven't made one for it yet. In addition to that, I also have a hollowing bar that maybe will get mounted up here or something, but the idea is this might get used for dust collection, obviously right here, but I have a little room that I can hang some stuff, and any additional chisels that I get will go there. Yeah, I mean, it was a pretty quick, simple little project. I'm going to call this one done. Thanks, everyone.
If you liked the video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And also, it'd be great if you could hit subscribe. Thanks, everyone.